The benefits of real estate investing. During a market downturn, you've heard the horror stories. Stocks crashing, the economy spiraling downward, and everyone around you panicking. But what if I told you that this is actually the time to make the smartest move of your life? It sounds crazy, right? Well, buckle up, because what I'm about to share with you could change everything. If you want to build real wealth, you have to understand why a market downturn is actually your biggest opportunity for financial success. But before you dismiss this as some get-rich-quick scheme, let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered why the wealthy always seem to get richer, even when the market crashes? Stay with me, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how you can do the same. 1. Problem introduction. Let's face it, living through a market downturn is terrifying. Your stock portfolio shrinks, your job feels unstable, and you can't help but feel like you're losing control. The constant headlines about inflation, rising interest rates, and unpredictable market shifts create real fear for anyone trying to build wealth. But here's the harsh truth. Most people panic. They pull out of investments. They hoard cash. And when the dust settles, they're left wondering what happened to the opportunity of a lifetime. So, what should you do when the market takes a nosedive? Here's a tip. If you're about to sell your investments and start binge-watching the news with a bag of chips, stop. That's not the move. Keep watching. I promise it'll make sense in a second. 2. Solution. How real estate can help you. During a downturn, real estate is one of the oldest and most powerful forms of wealth building. And here's the kicker. During a market downturn, it becomes a safe haven. Let me explain why. 1. Property values stabilize and can increase. Over time, when the stock market crashes, people look for stability. Guess where they turn? Real estate. Unlike volatile stocks, well-located properties tend to appreciate over time, even in rough markets. Picture this. You're holding a property in a prime location. As the economy recovers, demand for housing grows. And guess what? Your investment skyrockets. And this isn't just theory. This is how real millionaires build wealth. Are you starting to see why the sky is falling? Panic might be a little overblown? Hold on. We're just getting started. 2. Cash flow from rental properties. Next, let's talk cash flow. Real estate gives you a steady income through rental properties. While the market wavers, tenants still need a place to live, and you can count on monthly rent payments. This is money you can actually count on. Imagine having a stream of cash flowing into your bank account every month, even as stock prices fluctuate. Sounds like a dream, right? It's not. This is a reality for savvy investors. 2. Continued. The big reveal. Here's the real secret most people miss. When the market crashes, many investors get scared and sell properties at discounted prices. But guess who benefits from this? You. As the market dips, it creates opportunities to buy properties at a fraction of their original price. The competition is thin, the prices are low, and you get to buy at a discount. It's like Black Friday, but for real estate. Now, what happens when the economy picks back up? Those properties appreciate in value. You've just bought low and will sell high when the market bounces back. But here's the best part. You don't just make money when you sell. You make money all along the way through rental income, tax deductions, and equity growth. This is the power of real estate investing. The wealth-building machine that works whether the market is up or down. 3. Call to action. But I know what you're thinking. I don't have the money. I don't have the experience. Or this seems too risky. Let me tell you something. Anyone can start in real estate, even if you're 18, broke, or have no experience. You just need to be smart about it. And here's the thing. By the end of this video, I'm going to share the first step you need to take to start your real estate journey today. Even in the middle of a market downturn, you can take action now and position yourself for financial freedom. And I'll show you how. You see, in a market downturn, opportunity doesn't disappear. It simply shifts to those who know how to spot it. This moment, right now, is one of the best times in history to start building wealth through real estate. Stay with me because I'm about to show you how to take that first step toward a future of financial independence. Are you ready to make your move? But before we get there, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next. It could be the most important decision of your financial life. Get ready. The best time to invest in real estate? It's right now. Let's go.